Number 23 to number 45. Pass to number 25. Using the glass, no good. Rebound number 23. Connect for 2. Number 4. Payong Ayong. Looking for his teammate to number 11. Outside. Añejo ball. Number 75. Using the glass, no good. Rebound pa rin niya. Easy 2 points. Laki nun. Now, number 33. Using the glass, no good. Battle for the rebound. Home by number 33. Looking for his teammate to number 11 at the 3. No good. Rebound. Home by number 20. Foul committed by jersey number 23. First personal foul, first team foul. Connect for 2 para number 20. Number 45. Pass to jersey number 13. Miscommunication outside. Alaska ball. Same ball. Number 4, Payong Ayong number 20, jump. Connect for 2. Number 45. Looking for his teammates, number 45 to number 13, Pabonita. Now, Pabonita. To number 45. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 25. Foul committed by jersey number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots awarded to number 25. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good left. Number 20, pass with pass to jersey number 11. It's now number 11, using his body. Pass to number 4, Payong Ayong. Connect for 2. Number 13, Pabonita. Steal with jersey number 4. Now number 4, got to number 13. Number 4, Payong Ayong. Pass to number 33. To number 43. Connect for 2. Garral. Number 13, looking for the open man to number 25. To number 45. Number 45, spin. Shot. Number 4, pass, jersey number 33. No good. Rebound home by jersey number 13, Pabonita. To number 75, Avan. Using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 75. Using the glass, no good. Number 25, number 75. Using the glass, no good. Number 45. Using the glass, no good. Rebound home by number 45. To number 25. Using the glass, no good. Rebound home by number 25. Shot, no good. Rebound number 75. Foul, blast the basket. Number 20, second personal foul, second team foul. No, rebound home by number 33. It's now number 33. To number 11, looking for his teammate to number 4, Payong Ayong to number 33, outside. Añejo ball. Number 13, Pabonita. Looking for his teammate. Number 13. to number 45. To number 75, to number 23, jump. No good rebound, number 25. Outside, Alaska ball. Palit mo na. 5 palit. Palit mo ka. Boss Cielo. Number 15. To number 14 back to jersey number 15 to number 7. Beltran. To number 7 to number 15. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 15, Gallardo using his body. Shot. No good. Rebound pass with pass to jersey number 29. Easy, 2 points. Number 16, to jersey number 14, Santa Cruz. To number 22, connect for 2. Number 13, Dukai. Slide. Still number 14, Sana number 14. Pass to number 7, Beltran. To number 15, Gallardo. Foul committed by jersey number 26. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 16 to number 7, Beltran. Out to 3. No rebound home by jersey number. Still by number 7, Beltran to number 22. To number 15, still by jersey number 13, Dukai. Looking for his teammates. To number 5, Kalma. Number 5, got you by number 15, number 5. Slide, shot, no good, rebound home by number 7. Pass to number 14, Santa Cruz. Looking for his teammates, number 22, back to number 14. Still by jersey number 13. 2-2 situation, number 13. Jump. Connect for 2. Number 7. Beltran looking for his teammate to number 14. Back to number 7. Looking for the open man to number 15. Perimeter jump. No good. Rebound home by number 13 to number 39. Still by jersey number 22. To number 14, Santa Cruz. Number 16, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 15, shot. No good. Rebound home by number 5, Kalma. Now number 5. Looking for his teammate. Number 5. Slide. Using the glass. Outside. Same ball. Inbound the ball for jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 29. Number 29. To number 5. Kalma. To number 26. 5 seconds to shoot. Salonga to number 5. Kalma. Jump. No good. Rebound home by jersey number 16. Number 16. 3-on-1 situation. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 13, Dukai. Looking for his teammate number 29, Cruz. Back to number 5, Kalma, the 3. Air ball. Outside. Alaska ball. Palit 5. 5 palit. Palit mo ka.
Score, score 14.
Official score is 12-10, 2-point lead. Alaska. Number 4, payong-ayong 12 jersey, number 33. Number 33, atas si 1, 2, 3. 5-point lead. Number 13, Pabonita to number 45. Pass to number 75, Aban. To number 4. Outside. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 20. To number 4, payong-ayong to number 23 using the glass. Connect ball 2.
Tipe.
Number 13, Pabonita. Steal by number 5. Pass to number 4, payong-ayong. Number 43. Connect ball 2. Number 45. Number 4, payong-ayong at the 3. Rogo, rebound home by jersey number 75. Aban, pass number 13. Pabonita. Using the glass, connect ball 2. Number 4 to number 5. Number 20, Ibanez to number 43. Number 33, spin, pass to number 30, Ibanez, perimeter shot. No good, rebound home by number 13. Pabonita to number 25. Alfaro. Looking for his teammate. Isip by jersey number 4, payong-ayong. No, payong-ayong. Slide, using the glass. No good, rebound by number 75. To number 25, Alfaro. Now, Alfaro, to number 13, Pabonita. To number 75, to number 25, Alfaro. Block by number 20. Ibanez, pass, weak pass, to number 33, 2-on-1 situation, to number 4. Easy, 2 points. Time out. Number 13, Pabonita looking for his teammate to jersey number 45. Number, perimeter jump. No good, rebound number 75, using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 5, looking for his teammate. Number 5, number 33, using his body back to number 5. Number 33. At the 3, 1, 2, 3. Para ay Cagaral. Number 13, Pabonita. Number 75, Aban. Number 75, almost using. Number 75, using the glass. Connect for 2. Passing, number 13, Pabonita. Number 13, got by number 5. Number 4, lose it. Alaska ball. Pass, big pass to jersey number 33. Cagaral. Outside. 8 seconds remaining. And number 13, Pabonita. Now, Pabonita. To number 4. Perimeter jump. Connect for 2. defensive. Last ka aces. Number 17 under 3. 1, 2, 3. Para number 11.
Uy! Ay, ito.
Number 5, Kalma. Looking for his teammate. Number 5. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 45, number 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 9 para. Saka kasi. Miscommunication. Outside. Añejo ball. Number 13 to number 23, Roa to number 5, Kalma. Now, Kalma. To number 23, jump. Connect for 2. Number 7, Beltran, together si number 16. Number 22, together number 16. Looking for his teammate number 7, Beltran. Traveling violation. Number 13, dribbling the ball, looking for the open man. Number 13, to number 23, perimeter jump. Really battle for the rebound, home by number 7 to number 14, Santa Cruz. Steal by Jesse number. Pass to number 29. At the 3. No rebound, home by number 22. Pass to number 16 to number 11. Now number 11, cross up and move. Outside. Añejo ball.
Tulong!
Number 23. No good, even number 13. No good, the left. Number 14 to number 16. Perimeter shot, no good. Number 13 to number. Back to number 13. Number 29. Shot, no good, rebound number 13. Pass to number 23, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 29. Shot, no good, rebound number 7, Beltran. Pass to number 11, Steven, number 5, Kalma. Now number 5. Shot, no good, rebound number 22. Steven number 29, outside. Alaska ball. Number 29, Cruz. Number 13, spin. Shot blocked by number 29 and number 22. Number 22. Stay by number 5, Kalma. To number 4, stay by number 22, pass by pass to number 16. Number 16. Traveling violation.
Yeah.
Number 23. To number 4, Payong Ayong at the 3. No good, rebound home by number 13, Pabonita. Now, number 13. Looking for his teammate, number 22. Steven, number 4, Payong Ayong. To number 22. Outside.
Yeah, get it.
Number 13, Pabonita. Shot. No good. Rebound number 75. Avanto number 13. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound home by jersey number 43. To number 15, Gallardo. Pass jersey number 20. Ibanez using his body. Traveling violation. Number 13 to number 20. Number 20 using the glass. No good. Pate for the rebound. Home by number 33. Still by number 13. Pabonita. No, number 13 to number 22. Foul committed by jersey number
Yeah, get it to kay Danya.
33. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot, no good. Timeout. Number 4. Payong Ayong. Number 15, looking for his teammate, jersey number 20, Ibanez. To number 43. Number 43. Looking for his teammate.
Ay, sa gilid po kayo naman. Sa gilid po.
Inbound the ball by jersey number 22. Number 13, Pabonita. Looking for his teammate, number 75. Almost visit, number 26. Perimeter shot, no good. Battle for the rebound, won by number 75. Foul, blast the basket. Number 43. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Sorry boy eh.
Sige po.
Bonus shot, connect. Number 20. Steal by jersey number 75. Abante number 13. Pabonita. Pabonita steal by number 4. Payong Ayong. Number 4. Shot. Foul. Slash the basket. Foul. Jersey number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot. Para kay Payong Ayong.
Nandoy dito.
No good.
Shoutout sa pamilya.
Number 15 to number 4. Payong Ayong. Number 4. Kaya di ba number 20, number 4 to number 20 perimeter shot. Para kay 4-2. Number 20, Ibanez pass to number 4. Payong Ayong at the 3. Oh, no good. Rebound home by number 75. Abante number 13. Pabonita. Number 13 using the glass. Number 42. Palit ko na. 5 palit. Palit mo ka. Nga.
Saan nagpangalan? Squad.
Yeah.
Number 11. No good. Rebound home by number 5. Kalma. Number 45. Number 45. 10 seconds to shoot. Looking for his teammates. Number 25. Alfaro. Traveling violation. Number 11. Number 5. Manalo. Number 14. Santa Cruz perimeter shot. Connect for 2. Number 45. To number 5. Kalma. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound wrong by number 22. Pass to number 5. Manalo. 2-on-1 situation. Number 5. To number 11. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 45. 29 para. Foul committed by jersey number 5, Manalo. First personal foul, third team foul. Number 25, blocked by number 22. Number 29, to number 5, Kalma. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 25, foul. Number 14. Number 14, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot, no good. No good. Number 22. To number 14. Santa Cruz pass with Casio. Jersey number 5. Manalo to number 11. Easy. 2 points. Number 29. Jersey number 5. Number 29. Is the by jersey number 22. It's the number 14. To number 7. Beltran to number outside. Anyado. Penalty, red penalty. Oy, yung mga nagbabalibol dyan. Yung bola nyo baka mapunta sa court. Oy, nagbabalibol. Rebound, jersey number 14, Santa Cruz, to number 7, Beltran. Pass with pass to number 5, Manalo, 3-on-1 situation. No good, rebound, home with jersey number. Outside. Isang bola daw po. Pakuha mo na. Number 23. Number 25. Foul committed by jersey number 11. First personal foul, penalty. Penalty. First shot connect. No good. Rebound wrong by jersey number 25, Alfaro. To number 23. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 5, Calma. Using the glass, no good. Ball the rebound wrong by number outside. Same ball. 12 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. At the 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 7, Beltran. To number 22, to number 11, Javier. Now number 11. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 5, Calma. Looking for his teammate. Number 5, suggestion number 45. It's now number 45. Number 45. Double dribble. 2 seconds remaining.
Shoot mo na ang ball.
43. Number 29, the jersey number 13, Fabonita. The number 29, back to number 13. The number 13 out the 3. No good. Rebound number 20. Rebound number 75. Using the glass. Gonna go to you. Number 23, Kakaral to number 4, Payong Ayong. It's now number 4. To number 20, Ibanez to number 43. Looking for his teammate to number 20, Ibanez. To number 4, Payong Ayong. To number 33, Kagaral. Still by number 75, Aban looking for his teammate. Number 13, Dukay. Almost still. To number 29, back to number 13, Dukay. To number miscommunication. Outside. Number 23, Kagaral. Looking for his teammate, number 4, Payong Ayong. To number 43, to number 20, Ibanez, perimeter jump. No good, Pate for the rebound, one by number 13. To number 43, traveling violation. To number 13, Fabonita, perimeter jump. Connect for 2 points.
Ha?
Number 23, setting the play in the middle. Kagaral looking for his teammate. The number 4, Payong Ayong at the 3. No good, rebound wrong by number 20. Down number 20 to number 13. Dukay to number 13, Fabonita. It is by number 4, Payong Ayong. To number 20, Ibanez. Number 43. Number 43. To number 20. To number 23. Kagaral to number 16. Using the glass. Connect one, 2. Number 13. Fabonita. Still by number 20. Ibanez to number 16. 2-on-1 situation to number 20. Jump. No good. Rebound wrong to number 43. Number 43 to number 20. Jump. Connect for 2. Now, number 13, Fabonita. Looking for his teammate's number 20. using his body, using the glass. Connect for two. Now, number 16. Looking for his teammate. Number 43 to number 33. Foul committed by jersey number 13. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 43 to number 16, perimeter shot. Rebound home by number 75. Pass break foul for jersey number 29. Easy, 2 points. Steal by jersey number 29 to number 13. Dukay is now Dukay. Got him by number 4. Steal by number 4. Payong Ayong. Number 16. Using the glass. No goal by number 75. Passing pass number 13. To number 20. 3-on-1 situation. Jump. Connect for two. Palit 5. 5 palit. Triple kills alas sa team. Balik 5. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng alas sa team. Number 7. Number 9, Paul. Number 7, Beltran, number 22. No. No good. Now, number 9, number 11, Javier, looking for his teammate. Number 7, Beltran, perimeter jump. No good, battle for the rebound, wrong by number. Outside. Añejo ball. Still the jersey number 9. Paul looking for his teammate. The number 7, Beltran. Back to number 9. Out the kick. Foul. Committed by jersey number 25. First personal foul. Second team foul. Timeout. Añejo. Iki. Connect. Kininining. Pasok ang tatlong tira. Walang mintis. Number 59. Pass to jersey number 45. Big on number 45. To number 25, Alfaro using the glass, no good. Outside. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Foul, bless the basket. Number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. Ren, yung bola niyo ba mapunta sa gitna? Number 7. Pass to number 11, Javier. Number 11, out of 3. No good. Rebound home by jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 45. Here comes number 45. Pass to jersey number 25 to number 23 to number 45. Isipin sa may foul committed by jersey number. Foul rep. Number 11. Offensive foul. Technical, number 11.
Number 11 offensive ba? Then technical for ano? For behavior.
Number 11, technical for behavior. Tatlo na lang ang lamang na Alaska. Number 45. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 29. Out of 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. Home by number 22. Shot. Connect for 2. 1.3. Alaska. Sana lang po. Now, number 11. Javier to number 7. Beltran. Beltran. Shot. No good. Pass, big pass against number 25. Easy, 2 points. Change favor. Change favor for number 25, Alfaro. Connect. 3-point lead. Number 9, Paul, looking for his teammate to number 11, Javier. Shot, no good, rebound, home by number 22. To number 29, it's still by jersey number 7, Beltran. It's now Beltran to number 45, perimeter shot. Number 23, it's still by jersey number 22, to number 9, Paul. Out of 3. No good, rebound, home by jersey number 7, Beltran, number 9. 3, no good. Number 9, number 22, out of 3. Air ball. Number 29, pass, big pass to jersey number. Outside. Time out. Alaska. And number 20, Ibanez, the number 14, perimeter jump, no good, rebound, home by number 5, still the number 23, Cagaral. Using the glass, no good, rebound number. Foul committed by jersey number 4. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 13, Pablo Nisa. 3-on-2 situation, pass to jersey number 29. He used the glass foul committed by jersey number 14. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots awarded to jersey number 29. First shot, no good. Second shot, connect. Four-point lead. Añejo team. Now, number 4, payong-ayong to jersey number 43. To number 20, Ibanez, perimeter jump. No good, rebound over number 33, connect well two. Number 5, Calma, is by jersey number 20, Ibanez, jump. No good, rebound over number 23, foul, committed by jersey number 4. Penalty. Number 4, second personal foul, penalty.
Rep, excuse lang, rep.
No good. Rebound number 5. Calma to number 29. Cruz. Back to jersey number 5. Calma is now Calma. To number 4. Jump. No good. Rebound over number 23. Kagaral to number 4. Now number 4. Payong-ayong. 3-on-2 situation. Pass to number 14. No good. Rebound number 75. Abang to number 13. Pablo Nisa. To number 5. Calma. Using the glass. No good. Rebound number 20. To number 14. Santa Cruz. To number 43. To number 4. Payong-ayong. No good. Number 4. To number 23. Kagaral. Steven Jesse number 29. Passing to number 13. 3-on-2 situation number 13. 24-2. Wala na pong timeout, Alaska. Number 23, Kagaral. To number 30, Ibanez. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 43. Foul committed by jersey number 5. First personal foul, penalty. First shot, correct. Super 2. Number 29. Pass to number 13, Pablo Nisa. Pass to number 29, Cruz. Now Cruz. Almost to shoot outside. Alaska ball. Official score is 56-54. 2-point lead. Añejo team. Now, number 14, Santa Cruz. Looking for his teammate number 23, Kagaral. To number 14, break. Block by number 75. Outside. Same ball. 12 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 23, looking for his teammate. Number 43, to number 20, Ibanez. To number 23, using the glass. Gonna go through. Deadlock, all 56. Number 29, Cruz. To number 13, Pablo Nita. Number 13, Speed. Steve, number 20, Ibanez. To number 4. Now, number 4, Payong-ayong. 3-on-2 situation to number 43. Using the glass, no good. Rebound number 75. To number 5, Calma. Foul. Committed by jersey number 20. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 20, tatlo na po, foul mo. Official score is all 56. Second shot, connect. 1 point lead on your team. Number 20, Ibanez. Looking for his teammate, US number 23 to number. Spin, no good, rebound for number. To number 5, Kalma. Using the glass, connect for 2. Over 3, no good, pattern for the rebound, over number 4, pass 3, pass to number 5. 3-on-2 situation, number 5 to number 13. Pabonita jump. No good, rebound number 5, Kalma, to number 13. Pabonita, perimeter shot. Connect for 2. Number 20, Ibanez. 8 seconds remaining. Number 43 to number 4, Payong Ayong. Perimeter shot. No good, rebound number 75. Hey. Wow, so the ball game. Wala na pong mandatory.
Warning tayo for delaying the game.
Añejo team, warning for delaying the game. Number 4, Payong Ayong. To jersey number 33, Cagaral. To number 45, Blanquesa. To number, still number 75, Aban. Still number 45, Blanquesa. Jump. No good, rebound home number 23, Cagaral. To number 45. Number 9, Uno. 2, 3. Number 75. To jersey number 13. It's even number 9. Ball to number 33, Cagaral. Fake. Here's in the glass. No good. Rebound home by jersey number 13. And number 29. It's even number 4. Payong Ayong 2-on-1 situation. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound home by number 4. Connect ball 2. Dead shot. All 61. And number 29, Gadores. Shot. Connect ball 2. 2-point lead on your team. Now, number 4 to number 23, Cagaral, using the glass, connect for 2. Deadlock ulit. Number 20, Jordan, looking for his teammate, number 20, to number 13, Dukay, back to number 20. Number 9, Paul, 2-on-1 situation. Number 4, Payong Ayong, using the glass, connect for 2. Time out. Ayo team. Change favor. 2-point lead now. Alaska Aces. Maganda po ang laban. Now, number 13, Pabonita. To number 5, Kalma. Foul committed by jersey number 22. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 29, number 5, Kalma. It's now Kalma to number 75, Aban, using his body. Foul committed by jersey number 22. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Connect. Deadlock, all 65. Number 45. No good. Rebound home by number 75. Aban to number 13. Number 13, Babonita to number 29. Using the glass, no good. Now, number 4, Sayong Ayong. Number 4 to jersey number 45. Blanquesa looking for his teammate. Perimeter jump. Block number 75. Number 22. Number 4. No, Patel for the rebound home by number 75 to number 5. Gala. 3-on-1 situation to number 13. Babonita to number 29. To number 13. Babonita shot. Robert, rebound home by number 9. Number 22 to number 4. Sayong Ayong to number 45. Blanquesa to number 9. Paul. Number 4. Sayong Ayong. 10 second shot clock. 1, 2, 3. Out of 3. No, rebound home by jersey number 29 shot. No, rebound number 22 to number 23 Kagaral. No, rebound number 75 Abad. Pass to jersey number 29 close to number 5 Kalma. Foul committed by jersey number 9. Sabrep. First personal foul, third team foul para number 9. Two shots, so to number 5.
Lamang tatlo.
Official score is 68-65. 3-point lead, Alaska Aces.
Tatlo.
Sabrep. 2-point lead na lang. Number 33 to number 22. To number 4, Payong Ayong looking for his teammate number 9, Paul. Looking for the open man. Back to number 4, Payong Ayong. 5 seconds to shoot. Kagaral shot. No good, rebound home by number 13. Babonita. Here comes number 13. Number 13, looking for his teammate number 13, number 22, using the glass. Connect for 2. Deadlock. Deadlock, all 68 at the 3. Robo, rebound home by number 33. Kagaral, number 43. Foul committed by Yoshi, number 5. Number 5, second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots, awarded to number 43. First shot, correct. Alaska. Two-point lead, Alaska Aces. Now, number 13, Dukai. Back to number 5, Kalma. Now, Kalma. Using the glass, connect for 2. Deadlock. All 70. Number 4, Payong Ayong. Traveling violation. Time out. Number 13, Pabonita, dribbling the ball, looking for the open man. To number 13, Dukai. Slide, shot, connect for 2. 2-point lead, Anya Hedin. Number 20, Ibanez. To number 43, foul, blast the basket. Foul committed by jersey number 22. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus throw. No good. Rebound number 75. Pass against number 13. Pabolita to number 13. Using the glass. Connect go to. Stop it. 5 seconds violation. Official score is 74-72. 2-point lead, Añejo team. Dalawa ang lamang ng Añejo. Number 13, Bukay. Number 45. No good. Rebound won by number 22. Pass, fake pass to jersey number 33, Cagaral. No good. Rebound jersey number 45. Here comes number 45. Number 75. Avan. Using body speed. Pass number 20. No good. To number 5. Kalma. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 75. Foul committed by jersey number who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Rep. Sino po foul? Rep. Who's foul rep? Wait lang po, wait lang. Wait lang po, layan niyo po muna sila. Mag-uusap lang. Mag-uusap po yung referee.
Kaya niyo mag-usap yung referee. Tinawag niya daw. Tinawag niya daw.
Foul committed by number 43. Number 43, second personal foul. Third team foul. Warning for penalty na pala ng Alaska. Warning for penalty. Number 5, Kalma. Looking for his teammates. Number 75, Aban. Losing his body. 75. 3 seconds violation. Number 20, Ibanez. To number 43, sa number 43 to number 4. Payong-ayong back to number 43. Number 7, Bertrand, jump. Google, rebound number 45. Looking for his teammate. Pass break, pass number 5, Kalma. Isaw, Kalma. Foul, committed by Jesse, number 4. Payong-ayong. Penalty. Penalty, red penalty. Oy, ano yung mga bata dyan, yung bola nyo? Kukunin yan, makulit kayo. First shot, connect. 3-point lead now. Anya Abin. No good. Battle for the rebound home by number 43. Pass to number 22. To number 4. Payong-ayong. To number 20. Ibanez. To number 7. Beltran. Number 20, Ibanez, perimeter jump. No good. Rebound won by number 75, Aban. Number 45, looking for his teammate, number 13, Dukai. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 20 to number 13, Dukai. Number 20. Shot clock, violation. Naudusan ng shot clock. No, number 20, Ibanez, perimeter jump. Rogo, rebound number 13, Dukai. Number 5, Kalma. Slide shot, using the glass over, button for the rebound, won by number 5, Kalma. Ball, close the basket. Who's Quadrat? Number 7. First, personal foul, penalty. Bonus shot para number 5. Sub rep. Sub. Lahat po na sa sub, lumapit po sa gitna para makita po ang inyong mga mukha. Bonus shot. Both teams may tigil sa pang timeout. Bonus shot, connect. Pass with pass, number 14. Isa number 14. Looking for teammate number 4. Payong-ayong. To number 14. To number 45. Number 14, perimeter shot. Number 14. Number 5. Outside. Last the ball. One point lead, Añejo. Number 45 to number 4. Payong-ayong at the 3. Rogo, 3 number 4. At the 3. Rogo, 3 number 4. Number 14. Slide. Pass number 45. Robin violation. Sabrot. Lahat po ng player, lumapit po muna dito bago sumab.
Respeto po sa committee ha. Bago kayo pumasok, magpaalam kayo sa committee.
Number 45 to number 13. Back to number 13, Pabonita looking for his teammate. To number 45. To number 20. Number 13, no good, battle for the rebound, won by number 9, Paul. Pass to JC number 23, Cagaran. 82 points. 2.6, Añejo team. Now number 20 to number 13, Pabonita. 1, 2, 3. 5-point lead. 5 na ang kalamangan. Cagaran to number 14, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22. To number 45, Blanc Quezon. Shot clock, violation. Yung bench po ng Añejo. Usog po tayo, kalma lang po. Number 13, looking for his teammate, number 13, Pawanita. Out of the Robert foul committed by jersey number 75. President. First personal foul, third team foul. Wala pang penalty. Number 75, first personal foul. Third team foul. Last 2 minutes. Number 9. Foul. Kumukubay. Jersey number 20. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Foul. Penalty. Foul committed number 45. Number 45. First personal foul. Penalty. First shot connect. Lahat po nung sasab, lapit po sa gitna. Hindi po kasi nakikita. Sige po. Connect, sub, red, sub. Sub. Official score is 78-81, 3.3 now. Out of it. 1, 2, 3. Set back, all 81. Number 33. Offensive foul. Number 33. Second personal foul. Offensive po yun. Walang penalty sa offensive. Number 13, Pabolita. To number 5, Kalma. To number 13. Outside. I lost the ball. Both teams may take this about timeout. Base lock all 81.
Meng, play kayo!
Number 22, looking for his teammates, number 23, to number 23.
Kat, walang papasahan! Anak ng passing!
10 seconds to shoot, number 9. Outside. And there you go. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Number 20, Jordan. Number 20, looking for his teammate. Number 13, Fabonita. To number 45. Out of the forward. Same ball. 14 seconds, shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 45. Using the glass dog with battle for the rebound. Home by number 9. Here comes number 9. Crossing the top. Outside. Ay, ball. Sub, rep, sub. Yung bench po na ano nyo. Kalma lang po. Yung bench po, kalma lang po yung mga bench. 41 seconds remaining. Deadlock all 81. Number 5. Kalma. Looking for his teammate. Number 45. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 5.
Tira!
4 seconds to shoot.
Assist na lang yan!
4 seconds. Number 45. Number 45. Go. Tumama sa ring.
Tama na rin! Tama na rin! Awa!
Number 45. Foul. Committed by jersey number 33. Tumama po sa ring.
Hindi kanina pa pag-sending niya.
Porsigis lang yung minano natin eh.
Foul number 33. Number 23. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Tayo magkamit, tayo mag.
Kaya sigurado yan!
Yung bench po na niyo, pakiayos po. First shot, no good. Time out! Alaska Aces.
Receive ng bola. Nireceive niya doon sa gilid. Diba? Oo. 4 seconds lang dahil natin eh. Kapirapan. Punta pa rin yung bola eh.
Tayo. Tatlo na lang nakakuha. At the three, number 3 number 9.